I'm Anil Kumar, sharing with you an interesting question on functions. Here is a communication question on functions. The question is, describe how the value of f of 3 minus f of 1 divided by 3 minus 1 is related to the graph of f of x equals to 2x minus 1. You can pause the video, answer the question, and then look into my suggestion. So as this question is saying, we don't really have to calculate this value, f of 3 minus f of 1 divided by 3 minus 1, but we need to relate it with the graph of the given function, f of x equals to 2x minus 1. So it is kind of important to sketch the graph. So I'll sketch the graph on the right side. Now this is equation of a line, and since it is equation of a line, let's find at least 2 points. So what we have is, we have f of x equals to 2x minus 1. Y-intercept is minus 1. That is, f of 0 is 2 times 0 minus 1. This is minus 1. Let us find f of 1 and f of 3 also. F of 1 is equal to 2 times 1 minus 1. That is 1. And f of 3 will be 2 times 3 minus 1, 6 minus 1 as 5. So we have 3 points, and with these points we can connect and draw a straight line. So we have 3, 5, so maximum value looking for is 5. So let us say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then this is like 1, 2, 3. So 3 and 5 will be a point kind of there, right? And we know y-intercept is minus 1, so this is minus 1. And at 1, it is 1. So we can draw a line joining these points. So that is the point, this is 1 point, and then right here. So joining these points, we do get a straight line, and this is, so I'm doing approximate diagram. So kind of like this. So that is the line where this point is minus 1, and here we have 1. This is also 1. That is 5, and this is 3 for us. Now what is the meaning of f of 3 minus f of 1? F of 3 means the value of the function at 3, which is 5. Take away f of 1, value of function at 1. So basically it is this distance, right? So this distance here is f of 3 minus f of 1. And now what is 3 minus 1? These are the x values. 3 minus 1, so that is this distance, correct? So as you can see, f of 3 minus, let me write down now here, f of 3 minus f of 1 divided by 3 minus 1 is kind of, this is rise, do you see rise? And that is the run. So you can say this is slope, or we can say it is rate of change. Sometimes we can say average rate of change between x equals to 1 and x equals to 3, right? So that is what it is. So f of 3 minus f of 1 divided by 3 minus 1 is indeed rate of change. If you want to find the value, you can also do if required, right? Sometimes in the question you may be required to calculate the value. In that case you can substitute, right? So we need to find f of 3 minus f of 1 divided by 3 minus 1. F of 3 we calculated as 5. F of 1 is 1 divided by 3 minus 1 is 2. So that gives you 4 over 2, or 2. So in this particular case, as you can see, the slope is 2 of this particular line, which you can also read from here, y equals to mx plus p, and that is the rate of change between the given points. I hope that helps. Thank you, and all the best.